Welcome to Module 3. I hope by this time you have some aha moments about school-wide PBIS. In this module, you will be learning about the 4 targeted traits of the school-wide PBIS program. But before we begin on our journey, let's go back to what PBIS is. It is a multi-tiered framework to make schools more effective places to learn. This program establishes a social culture and the behavioral supports needed to improve social, emotional, behavioral, and academic outcomes for all students. That's what makes this program so powerful. All staff, regardless of position, must follow the same PBIS set expectations for this program to be effective and to be successful. In the introduction, I added a link for pbis.org. It is a fabulous resource for you and for your school and a great way to get started on your journey to starting a PBIS school program. So let's go over the targeted traits. The first targeted trait is to be positive. Catch students being good. Say something positive and uplifting to encourage continued expected behaviors. This is very important. We must be positive. Our students love to hear positive words. The second trait is to be proactive. Being proactive means encouraging positive behavior. Catch students being good, and you make positive comments and show them positive body language. Students will respond with more positive behavior. They will be encouraged to continue this expected positive behavior. The next one that I'm going to be talking about is to make sure that you use preventative behavior. What this means is to be sure to stop any misbehavior before it starts. Catch students being good and following the learned and set expectations. By doing this, you will prevent other misbehavior. Students love positive words and positive body language from adults. This encourages more positive behavior. The fourth and final trait that I'm going to be talking about is pre-correction. Many times we can anticipate misbehavior. So why not stop this misbehavior before it even starts? Anticipating the misbehavior and pre-correcting before the misbehavior ever happens is a very powerful tool. This pre-correction enforces positive behavior and reminds students of the expected behavior. As we finish up, I want you to think about a few things, and before we go on to the next module. School-wide PBIS has some characteristics. The first one is expectations are taught instead of waiting for misbehavior to occur. PBIS creates a safe and predictable environment for our students. PBIS establishes a positive climate that improves learning outcomes, and PBIS uses a team-based approach to problem solving. Finally, PBIS uses data-based decision-making process. So I want you to think about those few things, and I will see you at the next module.